Good morning guys. Hello baby here. Welcome on today's videos are very special, and right now it's early in the morning over here. We thank God for the gift of life. Anyway, thank you so much for clicking this video. So in case you're new here, please subscribe, comment, share, like. That's the best way you can support Hello Baby Official over here. So anyway, on today's videos, it's day 2 working at my mom's construction, which I'm so grateful because each and every day I normally push my mom's dream house, and also after from that setting of the pillars and rental, when I finish up, because there's some places that have been remaining. Probably yesterday we work for the front porch, and also I think today we work for the dining and living room, and also the back porch of the kitchen. From that, I will see guys. Maybe I will save little because there's some trees that I supposed to complete the mission of paying the money. And number one, the guy that I was working with him yesterday, who wearing the yellow t-shirt, so I need to complete, but when I get $100 I can clear that debt, and then I start splitting those timbers, because when maybe I go to the hardware, it's more expensive buying the timbers rather than buying in a local price, some trees here, and then I split. But at this point, man, we are moving good, we are doing good, and 100% you guys, you really show me some love toward my channel. Forget about the rumors through internet, but if you choose to support Hello Baby Official, stand with one reason. If you said it's Hello Baby Official, watch to the end. If you heard maybe somebody talk the shit about me, don't listen them. Don't give them some like waste your time to give like to watch their videos like, oh, Hello Baby do this and this. No. Me, all my videos that I do, it's all about construction, and maybe you find me supporting my family, you find me helping my community, and I think yesterday, it's on Monday, and I didn't go to manage to go to my work, so it's good. I finish my mom's construction sites. There is some places that have been left, and then maybe in the normal days I can go back to my construction site where I was working initially. At least when I go to people's construction, I can work and get paid. So I came back home, even I can use that money to buy one window, one door, things like that. I'm not in a competition way, but I personally, as I can, so look, me, this is where I came from, this is where I grew up, and until when I mature up, even right now, this is what I'm calling home, right here, and back here's my grandma. She used to have a lot of goats and cow. We normally graze here with my uncle, the last born to my dad's family, like brother to my dad. Their last born. We normally graze cow here, goats. But the crazy thing is, when you graze the cow and goats, there's some small bull. We sit on top and then start riding us like horses. So sometime in life we have some history. Right, guys, we are saying this, in life we have some history. When we grew up as a young child, but me, what I believe since day one, a child never forget it. Even me, was maybe I see something happen maybe 10 years ago, it just stick on my mind. But you know, it means sometimes child have sharp brain and all those things. So anyway, apart from that, now I think I'm taking you toward my home, and this is a brief quick tour from this side right here, and I'm taking you to my home. Basically, I want to show you where yesterday we work. If maybe I'll find my new subscriber right here, you will see where yesterday we work. And setting of the, I think setting the pillars of the house, it's very difficult. You know, you need to take the measurement, the all angles, and you need to make sure the pillars are straight. So yesterday we managed to do it, and even we put the concrete. So I think by tomorrow we remove those timber box and we put aside. So let's go this way and I'll show you. So when I'm passing right here, I will show you a small piece of land which my great grandma gave my dad when my dad was alive. And by good or bad luck, when my dad passed away, on that duration, my dad, he was very, like, he was totally sick. He told me, you can take that share of the land which that's my dad, which my grandma gifted me, of which she was my great grandma, and right now she was no longer in this life. I want to say both of them, my soul rest in peace. And even during when my great grandma, when she was in a hard life, during that duration of sick, she told me, like, hey, my great grandson, you can have the share of your dad right here. You know, let me show you guys. You think I'm joking, but I want to show you. Look, it's a huge piece of land having a lot of trees, and this is what we call blue gum. You know, this one, my friend, if I have like this, I think 3 of them, we split timbers, we finish roofing. Look, ni mikubwa sana. Yukorera judo onyakori ango kama bad kede abantu judo amako kambiki soon. Yeah. Kura uzito. You good?
Good morning to you.
Good morning to you. And now he was a milkman. This is a milk here, guys. Hapa ndapata mavere kama no.
Gani.
Yeah.
Amotore.
Na tunango kere judo. Da makibutinga ariko pondru budiko. So guys, let me stand right here. You know, there's some black game that is going on here, and of which I don't like, because these trees are not supposed to be here. But when you stand right here, you see that trees that are having some red flowers. That's the boundary right there, right there, right there. So it means this side, the people of this side, give out a space where people can walk, but the people of this side didn't give out. So it shows you when the time reach, people want to build this like to construct a road here, a local way. This side is supposed to give out some feet, you know. So guys, what a blessing. What a blessing. So this is the land which it's a small land, I told you, which my great grandma, it's not even my great grandma, it's my great grandfather blessed or give my dad. And You know, as long as the reason number one why you gifted maybe why you gifted a land by your grandmother, by your great grandmother, it's because when you behave well, like fetching water for them, cooking for them, fetching food for them, and also grazing cow for them, when you behave well, they give you a land. Like, hey, I blessed with this land. So my great grandfather blessed my dad this smaller land here. Even, you know, when the road will pass there, remaining with nothing here. But for now, at least you see, you can plant and harvest only one bag of maize right here. But technically, when my dad passed away, like I said earlier, when my dad, he was on that duration of sick, he said, when I will die one day, you take the control of that small piece of land. I blessed you. And I told you guys where I'm walking right now, this is what we have. And not that much big. Fresh, yeah, not that much big, you know. If it's not a road right there, the land is just okay, you know. But I want to say thank you so much for being blessed, you know. And also, this one, maybe my mama, she could plant maize and harvest even one bag, and I'll compensate what we have, you know. That's how things go, you see. And yesterday, I think during at night time, the tractor were being plowed there, and you know, because they were being taking corner here, so another farming on the other side, he told the guy with the tractor, like, hey, you can, you know, help him to plow this. So you can see even the threads for the tractor right here, you know. Yeah, so I told you that's the mark point of the boundary right there. That's trees that you see, you know. And when you go straight, me what I believe, we can't construct a road going straight. It's supposed having a corner. And one day I'll make some cleanness on this road, slashing. I think when I'll get enough money, I'll do what we call slashing, and then I construct this place because people are really taking advantage. Man, even I see the engineer. Oh, I don't know where I'm going to start. I see my engineer right there. Guys. I'll slash here. You know? So guys, even I see his motorbike. You see? Right there. Anyway, let me take you around. I want to call one of the handman to help me. So today we're supposed to work right here and inside. So guys, stay tuned. Yesterday we work here, as you can see. I'm telling you something straight going up that way, you know. And I have serious engineer. So from now I think I want to change some clothes, because this one are not meant for the, you know, blue collar job. So I need to wear my clothes. And also we are mending here, you know. First thing we want to set the pillars, and then when it's concrete enough, we set right here, there, because of, you know, to avoid maybe bending of the pillars, bending of the lintel. You will see, guys, you will see. Me at this point, no argument with my engineer. But I know, even when I was working at my cousin construction, first to set the pillars, and then we raise up first floor, second floor, things like that. So probably today we're gonna work here. Today we finish up because there's no need. And right here, because the reason why it's left here, it's some decoration. I don't know, maybe like this. You will see after we demolish this one. You will see. We take that decoration right here, we fix here and there. But me, I think maybe to avoid to put more things, I think we'll be straight like that. As long as we move in and we do things. And also we're gonna set this pillar. This one today we set, plus putting right here and here, because this one is too small, you know. So probably that's the work. And I think maybe I'll wear these clothes, or it's rain on and the stuff. Oh my god, this is my overall, guys. Imagine. Imagine, guys. Look, I've left it to dry here. So guys, that's the work for today, and keep follow this journey to the end. Kuja! Hey! There, Dudu! Wait, even the guys have already arrived. Fresh. Mari chaku mutuki. Uhichimba acha uko kenche mukuya. Aya. Tamutora kugetanda ki korma. So no reinara na yoga.
Na ya kule masanda kanyiga. Da so kibo. Kumena mcheka.
Eh.
Namareka.
Kanyoro ni monto ni ngambe wewe.
Kumezuka na nini?
Eno hata yale pochi usin. Eno sinoro paro rogari. Temangana Temangana kenyende chimbo ibere. Chimbo ibere. Chitemohara. Mutuki no anako. Sengo no moko samba. Keresure mkiwe here. Agana nyari tege samba. Yeah. Now we are removing the timbers. I think
Hard work.
yeah, I should run for the 2 timbers because we need try here and there. Musingi saro re. Aro kana rondo rate mohano sasa. Hello guys. Tupo job. Yes, my engineer already arrived here. But tunajiuliza hivi, tena niona kama nitakupa hizo mbao mbili. Futi 8 ndo zilikuwa. Ni 160.
yangu sipendi mali ule ulichana.
Wapi? Nikumeiweka.
Si hapo.
Sasa ukaturiweka hapo uliweka kivingine. Wewe ulichana pengine. Hivyo tu ndio uliweka hivyo. Eh?
Au nilikuja imechanika. Sasa inawezekana ngala singe alichana.
Hicho na ile
Guys.
iko chonjo sana. Sasa hivi mimi sina hela hata kununua bodi ya kutengeneza madikodiko. Tunatumia ni local way.
Sio local way.
Wapi?
Msumari.
Ngoyo murunda.
Ngoyo murunda chini. Piga chini hapo.
Hapa.
Iende kwenda mbele huko.
Iende itoke nje.
Shuke.
Moba. Haya. Piga.
Kama ni lete
Leta.
Karibu.
Wewe piga.
Na uchunge.
kumbe force.
Haina force.
Supando piga kukara paka juu. Paka juu. Panda kwenye ngazi upige hapo kwa.
Jana wanaambiwa na engineer hawataki kusikia mambo. Huyu ni kama moba.
Wao wanaomba kazi. Tuipe.
Watu waliche. Nilitisho sana.
Hata.
Pull. Stay here, and it's break time, and also I have chapati here, and even my engineer and Ngaras right there. They're enjoying. Taboge kibro korma. Rich achana na rich. This chapati, guys, for breakfast. So let me enjoy. Ana vile nauma. Sina mema.
Remember there is a promise on the weekend.
Okay then. Yo.
Jirekodi sasa ukipiga msumari.
Sitapea richa ni record. Sitapea richa ni record.
Want to use like a toss,
Mm-hmm.
which will help us.
Yeah, there's a method right here. Right there. That's a
This one.
method. Mm-hmm.
So want to pan until to be red.
Yeah,
Until
yeah,
the
yeah.
color
Yes.
become red.
Mm-hmm.
Then you clash.
Mm-hmm.
Then to be sharp.
Mm-hmm.
So to use to remove that.
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. For the pillars.
So it will be easy work.
Okay.
Then using the hammer
Mm-hmm.
and other tools.
Okay, I get you. Let's go. This fire right here. Oh my God. We tried to burn the metal.
Yeah.
I think this D20.
Yeah, it's
If I'm not
D20.
wrong. D20.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Confirm it.
Yes, I see. Hmm? Yes. That's how we do things, and that method that we are burning, we try to use to remove those pillars. I'm gonna show you right now. This one here, especially that column. We call it pillars or column? I don't know. Me column.
Yote ni same, yote ni
Pillar and column is the same. Guys, this was very delicate right here. But again, it's rain. Whew. Let me wipe the camera. Oh my God. This is crazy. Yes, I was using my tissue paper right here to wipe the lens. Okay. So, we're only remaining with putting the concrete right here. And wachana na simu bana. Pakia sehemu. And also we put the concrete on this space here. Man, I told you I buy the timbers since day one. Up to nowadays I'm continuing buying timbers, you know. And technically Richie, wewe nene nikuje na mtu mmoja nimpige 100 wanasomba kokoto, si ndio?
tulia tu kokoto ni ngapi?
Okay. No problem. I just relax. And also today I bought these two. Gani? Chuma ya wapi? Si chuma iko?
Sasa kama chuma iko imefungwa.
I bought these two timbers. 500. Imagine two goes to 500. Because per feet they are selling they are selling I think, oh my God, they are selling per feet 22, and this is 12 feet, this is 10 feet. Imagine. And I bought the entire house, so like yesterday I bought and also today, you know. And we need to put the pillars here, you know. Damn. And right here, right there. Wow. Imagine, this is the spade here. This is crazy. This is my spade. Yeah. And also guys, I have these iron sheets right here, another one right there. The entire iron sheet that you see here, maybe one day when I finish this project here, I'll start another project. You never know, maybe chicken coop, I'll keep maybe improved cow, you never know. This is a coin. It looks like a coin. Yeah man. We have the water tank. Umepaona ni wapi hapo? Huchagoi. Alikuambia nje? Si hapa ndani. Rudi ndo mwambi. So also guys, we have the tank here. This one I'll use it to harvest water from this house. And actually this house, it needs, you have maybe 2 bigger tank like this. These are 5,000. Maybe I'll have 10,000 because this house, it's purely need water everywhere. Shower, hot water to the kitchen, you know, to the sink. Man, this could be crazy. But at least I have some hope. This one, step number 1. And mom, thank you so much, and may God bless you all the way from I think she was a Jamaican, all the way from Canada. She bought me this tank and she told me, hey, I see your mama carrying water from the river. By that time we didn't have the borehole, so she told me, I see your mama carrying water, it's very hectic for her, I want to support her to have a water tank. And just right here, yeah. Thank you so much, you know, and may God bless you. And also thank you so much for those people who joined today. And if you don't know my home, this is what I'm calling home. But before this, my home could look like this one right here. And also let me show you on this side. You know, it's some changes day by day. But some changes, you know. Before I built this house, my home was like this, you know, like this. And I imagine this is where my mama right now is staying here, you know. I have a serious mom, you know, 100%. Alisema nje ama hata hapa bodi? Huh? Oh, okay. So let me take you outside and you see how things go. Oh my gosh. Whew. So guys, me, I'm thinking, you see mama house just right there. Maybe my house in the future, it could start from here going that way, because that being said is we have shortage of land right now. Where I'm standing right now, this is my dad's shares right here. Maybe in future God will bless me and I get a huge piece of land, let's say maybe 200 by 200, and I'll have my own space. But I think me, I love to stay with my mama, because when maybe, for example, I stay away from my mom, she could feel bad, you know. Sometime maybe when she was feeling sick, I was taking care of her. When I feel sick, she was taking care of me. And at this point, I have my cousin who didn't go to school. Also, I think 2 of them, they are girls, so they normally charge their phones inside there using my Wi-Fi. And sometimes she was helping me to make some cleanness, you know. Wow. And I think I'm supposed to splash, not splash, to slash this space here, right here. So I'm so blessed. And the rest of my cousins, they were not here. If I could bring all my cousins and I count them, there are almost around 30 of them. 30. So I told you, no joke. You see, even right here, the community are enjoying by using this water. Damn, this is crazy. Look of those old jerrycans. It says water. Hey, it is water, man. Yeah, but I say God thank you. Being supportive to my community. So yeah, it's raining time, and from now I need to wear the gumboots because I'm going to mix the concrete. Mixing the concrete. Yeah, man. So that's how things it is. Look, even right here. This what? Because I'm building a nice house. One day I could put concrete down here. Okay, let's go. Huh? So this one here, it will help us by maybe, let me say on Friday, to remove those boxes there. Sasa ni chini yangu. Yeah?
Unajipenda.
Mama nile nina miguu yake na kama mimi nafanya kazi.
Yenye hando hauna.
Ile miguu. Niko nayo.
Yaani mabela wa vijana wameingia YouTube. Lakini Nyabwansi ndiye inaongoza ni kama.
Hapa ndo headquarter. Hata Nairobi wanaiogopa.
Lakini aliyeichanua ni nani? Nani? Kiongozi.
Yuko.
Marwa. Ila inataka moyo.
Kiregea.
Unaona mimi kifini nafanya kazi Rongo. Nilikuwa naweka nyumba tunayoifanya. Napata viewers 900 kwa siku moja.
Sasa nini ilikuwa? Licha nayo. Sasa cha msingi ni unayo, lakini sikutasahau password. Hakuna vitu venye unaweza register hapo. Wewe enjoy, sikutakopa password na email.
Sasa email si yangu, email naweza nikaisahau.
Password
naijua.
Haya.
Password ya email yangu. Naijua.
Yenye umefungua pale YouTube. Okay guys. Here
email ya YouTube ni tofauti na email ya mambo mengine.
Hakuna. Ile yako moja tu naitumia. Sasa YouTube inafikwa na email yake. So guys, we want to create this beam and then rental here. Man, I have a lot of things to do. Look at my friend here.
I'm so tired, man.
You're so tired? Before you make $1 from this construction, you need to struggle. Even me here, before you make even $1 single coin, I need to struggle. So money is not easy. Even engineer here, to get money, he must sweat.
Nikatokore sasa magana gagichi nige nati magana koso kila tole kasi ya yane yonera
super team anataka kazi
sasa atakaza atajua kufunga unataka ianguke
nataka kazi si hata anataka kazi
na sina nataka
lakini sasa litustunge ivaisha kitu kama hii ama
tungefanyaje
kama hiki haviko si ndio
vipi lingi kama ingekuwepo tukafunga hapa nyingine lakini sasa it's straight
siringi iko
it's too late
I guess hii haibebe uzito wote
Haujui kwamba huo ukuta utakuja mpaka hapa
ukitaka huu oh my god there's some weight here and there na bado kuna mlango So guys, let's see.
Isipokufanyia hii kazi sasa hivi ikaisha.
So guys, this is my bike right here for the last jet, and we are inside here. Kijana Portland.
The boy from the city is here. How are you?
I'm good, bro.
Yes, guys, this is National One. I'm here, guys, and we are just work. I'm a supervisor over here.
Yes.
The work is on going very well for the bricks and everything, for the ceiling board. A lot of work is going
So
on.
maybe come I show you. You help me to choose 6-1. Maybe around that. Come.
Which one?
Back here, you know me, I was confused because I was finishing the pillars for the ringtone. Yeah.
You are finishing the pillars on ringtone.
Yeah.
So what is your plan? What do you want to do?
So I was missing 6-1. I think 10 feet, 8 feet, 3 pieces. 10 feet, 1 piece.
10 feet, 3 pieces.
Is 8 feet, 1.
8 inches? Are you talking about?
No. I took 8 feet, 6-1, 3 pieces. 10 feet,
That is
6-1.
That is a pillar.
No. Nani zinalala kwa hizo madirisha sunaelewaga.
The one on the lintel.
Yeah, bottom.
I know.
Bottom one.
So this is how we can do. You put a lintel that matches with the brick that you're using.
No,
right?
I've already finished on that other side. I'm only dealing with the front porch and back porch. Na deal na hizi za hapa. Ndio because imebaki huko nyuma.
Even if you're going to use front porch or whatever, you see this way, you have to choose also the one that the brick is going to lay on top. Ni hivyo tu, mimi najua kenye unasema.
Ushanielewa? Unaona za hapa ni nazo. Sasa ni inasumbua. Unajua kama kwenye milango mbona kuweke 6-1.
Ndio maana kwambia hizo lazima utafute yenye inaingia kwa brick.
Kama
brick
ndio
ni
hiyo sasa.
6-1,
Ndio hiyo ni
6-1.
6-1.
Kama ni 8-1.
6-1 my friend.
Yeah, that is how you.
Twende nyumbani angalia kama ziko.
Wapi hapo?
Moibura?
Yes.
Say hello. Talk with my people.
Yes, good morning guys. I'm here with Hello Baby and thank you wherever you are for coming, for watching this video because you make my brother Hello Baby to feeling good. No guys, when you watch this video, my
Don't
brother
fool her
is
like
feeling,
this.
feeling happy.
Don't watch this video like you are going to be bust.
No.
Don't watch video like this.
You need to be happy. Like you see me, I'm happy.
Yeah.
No corner, no anything is going wrong.
The
Be
tiles
happy.
installer.
Yes. So guys, you're welcome again to Hello Babe YouTube channel, supporting my brother to go on the good success. Today I'm here to to my brother Fadera
Yes.
to check something.
Yeah.
It's the first time
I
entering
know.
of this house.
We know your work is to install tiles.
Yes.
Yes, he was a nice guy, guys. Support him.
Okay.
Aya. Ona Nation. Hapa. You can see here, my friend. Yes, here you see 6-1 when you see them, you take out. You know you are a mason.
This is
You are a good carpenter.
this 7-1. This is 7. It doesn't have a lot of 6. I don't think that it has a lot of 6. This is 6, but it's very short.
It's too short. That one even it can't reach even 8 feet. Nansho, not about that.
This.
No, this one.
Yeah, this one is 6.
6-1.
So you have to.
Take it out. Tiri unauma.
Ndio nafaa kukimbia hivi nione mahali.
Oh mama, niliona vitu umepiga ni mgonjwa.
Tafuta kijana kwa hizi.
Guys, so let me see Fadela here. We talked the matter, and I need even me when I finish everything the window should be. You know, you see how this decoration it is here. Let's see Fadela. Yeah. Hey, this is a massive project here. Natafuta 6-1, sitaki kubwa. Fadela,
yes,
say hello.
Hello guys.
You good?
I'm good.
Yeah.
So guys, this is Hello Baby.
Yeah, man.
Yes, and
I'm
me is
good.
Fadela TV Daily.
TV.
I'm here.
Yeah.
I'm building a septic tank here.
Oh, yes, let's see Fadela.
I
So
want to go for wall pass because if I go there, not go for wall pass.
okay.
Yes.
So me, I say I only found only 6-1.
Let me go for wall pass. I think.
Acha lete all pass. Siwezi chukua, nimepata 6-1 ile ndogo nyembamba, si zile kubwa.
Guys, Mbra is looking for timbers.
Yes.
But I think it's too late because tomorrow I'll put in the concrete.
Down here.
Yeah, tomorrow. They'll
Okay.
be putting a ring tops. Maybe after and also after tomorrow we'll be putting the maybe tomorrow, just tomorrow.
Okay.
Because the foundation of the septic tank, the slab I mean, is
yeah.
we're going to buy Masatu.
Oh,
Walisema hivyo.
so
yes.
You know, let me wait that lady for the timber yard. I'll go and I need only 3 pieces because I walk around here. I only find 81. It's so big, and it may need 6-1.
I thought you need mini timbers.
6-1.
Okay.
You know 6-1, it look like this one.
Yes.
E.
But for mine here, I'm going to work with them.
All right, man. No problem. Just hapo analia. Amekanyaga juu. Mzee Nyabuto. Koroga.
Yes.
Uliamua kuwa fundi. Koroga. Usianguke mroko. Hamuna pressure.
Pressure gani?
Say hello, bro.
How are you?
I'm good.
I'm doing fine. Okay, we are here. We are doing this is the second day of the septic. Yeah, so they're laying the foundation. Okay, for those who are watching this video, guys, I go by the name of Kwemba. You can come and watch me, subscribe, comment, like, and share. Road to 2,000 subscribers, and I'm chasing the 4,000 watch hours. Okay. So I need the watching hours. Yeah, I go by the name of Kwemba. Let me show my channel so that they can just come and support me.
Kwemba.
Yeah, where necessary.
Yes.
It's taking time to load, guy.
Yes. Guys, we're on this world to support each other, So this is a Kwemba.
Road to 2,000, and I'm chasing 4,000 watch hours.
Okay.
Yeah, if I get your support,
Make long videos.
I'll be very, very fine. Thanks a lot for hosting me into your channel. Hello,
Okay.
Baby.
You work. Me, I'm looking timbers.
Hello baby.
Natafuta hizo mbao. Na huyu ananiambia hakuna mbao humu. How are you?
I'm very fine. How are you guys?
I'm doing good, bro.
Yes.
Here it's work.
Yeah, work.
Okay, introduce yourself.
My name is Next Town.
Huh?
Next Town.
Next Town.
Yes.
Yes, I see that.
Yeah, that is also my channel on YouTube. Guys, I'm here work at
Fadela.
at Fadela's TV. Guys, go there, subscribe to support him, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel just to support me. I'm here in Nyabohansi.
Imagine, guys, his name Next Town.
Yeah.
Next Town.
Yeah, my Next Town. If you want to find me on YouTube.
Okay.
Yeah.
You work, bro. You work as you make videos. Yes. All right. Here, I just came to look for the timbers. People are working here. Kichwa yuko leo. Oh. Okay, guys. Emobatiganiga, tat? Tanione Kenya. Ken V. Tagaamba hello. That's why many kirano na lekona.
Hi guys.
The ceiling installer.
Yeah. Ken V254 right here, guys.
Yes.
Yeah, thank you so much for supporting Hello Baby. Yeah, to this far.
Yes.
Yeah. Kindly watch this video to the end. Make sure you don't skip anything.
Yes.
The channel is monetized if I'm not
You?
wrong. You?
Yeah, mine is already
Yeah,
monetized.
so don't skip anything.
Yes.
You know, we need your attention so much. Then after that, go check me out. Ken V254.
Ken V254.
Yeah.
Guys, if you remember, he installed for me ceiling board, tiles, painting, and everything. Okay, Ken. Nice for your job. Work. Alright, guys. Me, I left and I go to the hardware. I want to check that timbers. Kijana Montego Bay. Say hello. You know I can't come. You good?
I'm good.
From Montego Bay.
Haya.
Yeah?
Uko na ile kikapu moja kupea?
Imagine, this is a black tea.
I'm sorry, we're just organizing how we can get bananas with Fadela for us to
Nini
take
naongea
breakfast. Oh, this is my phone. I think, let me. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, how are you?
I'm good.
Okay. I'm also doing good. I'm just preparing breakfast, but it's very hot here. I'm sweating.
I'm telling you.
Very hot. Don't go. Our tea is ready.
You know, I'm working at my mom's dream house. Especially, I'm trying to push the front pillars and then to see what next.
Okay.
So if maybe I'll delay here, my mason
Things will go bad.
Yes, it go bad there.
I get your point. It's okay. Thank you so much.
Ken
Guys,
Gor.
This is Ayam Ken Gor. I'm also a fellow YouTuber. You can check me out on my YouTube channel, and I will really appreciate.
Okay.
At Ayam Ken Gor.
Okay.
Ken Gor.
Okay.
Wagwan.
Okay, guys. Support them, and let's see what next. Oh my God. No. My suggestion is to come and see if I can get timbers, but this video it's full of shout out. At the same time, it's good to support each other, and when I see my fellow friends succeed or win, it's my win. So that's how we push each other. But sometimes we try to avoid from drama, you know. So let's go and check the lady that I think yesterday was on a timber yard, so to see whether I can get those timbers and deliver to my home. If it's very difficult, we shall see plan B. Ila ila
Unatundwa. Naona mawe yalishika katikati. na Ngalasi nilimwambia achovye na chuma.
Sasa mama kije kupigwa plasta.
Si tukitoa kabla haijafanya kitu chochote inapigwa plasta.
Sasa utoe hiyo mbao ndio uje kubano. Ile ya huko juu. Guys, you know my engineer has a lot of experience. Oh yeah. Tajoma. Ngarasi ndio huyo hapa naona. Ndio mwambie alitengeneza macho.
Si nilimwambia achovye na chuma.
Uliambiwa chovi.
Alikuwa shikili mawe yakashika sehemu yakashika.
This one was the one who putting. Mwambie.
Wapi?
Utaona.
Sini wewe mwenyewe umeweka.
Nani? Wewe uweze ukasikia tundu hapa. Naona kuna lady ambaye imemwamika.
Guys, wanna see our
Mbona unaharibu kabla haijakuwa?
Ishakuwa. Sasa unaona pale kwa ile bosi wangu anatufanya kazi, kwa ile kazini yangu. Zinawekwa leo. Kesho zinabanduliwa. It's around 18:13. That's 6:13, you know, my local time. We're still working, and I think we almost to stop the work. And then we can't manage to put the concrete today because it was very difficult. Even setting of this, you know, it's not looking like carved, you know, this stuff here. you see, and also right here. So I told you earlier, you take that image of that space of the counter of the kitchen and dining right here, you fixed here, and also right there. Let me stand here. I think maybe one of you're gonna understand me better. You see? So take that the way it is, like this, and then that way, and then this way. So you put here. It's something that we build like this, and then go straight, and then that way. We put here and there. So inside we haven't put anything. I think you see, because it's too late. And look, this is the steel bar right here. So it's neat. Maybe if I could have enough money, I could employ 2 people. Like, let me say one fundi. When I'm saying fundi, I mean the mason. While my engineer fixing this stuff here, the mason come at the back with concrete. But all in well, may I thank God, because each and every step that I do, I say, God, thank you. Look, so I need to go here, right there, and then you will see how things go. Yeah, this could be amazing. Amazing job. Oh my gosh. So this is your boy, Hello Baby Official. I'm struggling here. Woo. Oh my gosh. I think it would fit here. Yes. So this is a ladder. Hey. You know, sometimes I feel good when I climb here. I show you how things go. Try to imagine the entire of that you see there. That's a box. That's a toilet. Look, there's another room here. There's another room. Hey, I can't wait. Yeah. I can't wait to see the final result, guys. You pray for me. You pray for me. You know, building this house in my home, or maybe in the village, it's not easy. Yeah. And this is it's true courtesy of you guys. Without you, I couldn't manage to build this house. But you really motivate me, advise me, and I take a comment serious. So I think the last day when we'll be back here, I think when I get around let me say $50, it can help me to pay people, let me say to pay the mason or to pay my engineer to do those things here, and also on the other side, the front porch. African, you see, even that young lady, she was taking the maize corn to the posho mill. Lakini mimi saa zingine nashindwa. Pira hizi rento alikuwa anafanya mengine ni makubwa. Pengine hata uwezi tembea juu. Haya. Lakini umenijengea nyumba strong. Nyumba.
Unataka tufanye short? Au unataka short?
Sasa ushana mimi tukipingana na wewe. Lakini sasa cha msingi siwezi tembea hapa saa hii.
Kwa nini?
Hapa juu. Natetemeka. You see? Man, I'm telling you, this is the strongest house that I build. Me, my work is slowly. No pressure, no competition. As long as I do my own thing, that's where. Na kesho tuko kazi ngati. Hey. Yeah. Sasa mimi vile naona lichi. Sio tunakuja hapa tunangoa zile pira za huko mbele. Tunapiga hadi box. Au sio? Sasa Mungu wangu. Ay. Richard tunamba wengine. Umeiona? Ona ile.
Kazi.
Woo! Guys, I'm so happy. What about you? You know, I'm so happy. Hey. This is what I show you on TV. It's live, man. You just believe it. Just believe on yourself. This is the reality. When I'm trying to see the... Yeah. One day I'll sit here with my visitor, enjoying our supper dinner, or our lunch dinner. You never know. Muhindi. You see, now you try to create a box, and then we put the concrete. My friend, I'm telling you, I don't want to go for the shortcut. There is a day I have a suggestion for you. Oh, like, I want to build a hidden roof. People say, hello baby, please, my son, please, my brother, don't go for the shortcut. And now, we reach on the roofing. Please, support on iron sheets. Even one, we can move, you know. Because now, I personally, I prepare myself to have more timbers for the roofing. And I think maybe this week, I'll start, you know, do more hunting of the timbers. So what's giving me a headache, it's only the iron sheets. So it will take around 120 iron sheet. This house that you see here, and one iron sheet goes to 3,500, you know, like the good one. Even my engineer was my witness. So he told me the good one, which one cannot like fade. The good one goes to 3,500, you know. And I think if you can calculate one iron sheet 3,500, that's 3 meters. You get around close to 3,000 USD there. I can manage to buy the iron sheets. So at least, you know, to cover my mom from a hard situation. And as you know very well, in terms of my mom's side, she was a widow, and I'm trying to help her. Imagine. My mom to be a widow, it doesn't mean like we can't sleep, we can't eat, but we eat through God, and we do everything through God. So maybe this video will touch you as maybe being supportive to me. Let's support through iron sheet, guys, you know. And also if I get maybe one of you support even 10 iron sheets, we still keep it in the hardware or maybe in my bath showroom. 10, 20, one, if maybe one buy maybe 3, 1, 2. If you get maybe one buy even let me say 90, 80, you know, we are moving on, you know, little. And at the same time, I know life outside there, it's very difficult. And sometimes you sleep hungry to support Unbelivable official, you know. That one, I want to understand it, guys. But you have good heart, you know, to support. Sasa iremba utaikata. Sema murijichanganya. Ili rifaa ugeuzi ende huko. Ipi? Ni utakata? Ni shaira. Hiyo siku utakuja kuweka hiyo bimu na kuja kuikoroga. Inatolewa. Pasielewi. Let me check the time. We work since morning. It's because we have only few people. Look, it's 6:24. You see, that is me, my friend, on a profile. Don't say, oh, hello, baby. Oh, you have a people's phone. No, we work since morning. It's because of you know, financially, and I do employ only engineer and one handman, and also me, because yeah, also we reach there, I pause. So for you who want to see me mixing the concrete, maybe next time. Yeah.
Wewe subiri kwanza tufanye kazi hapa. Njoo.
Si serious, kesho tunaenda. Look, even I'm watching my entire village, and I think one day I'll build a water tank tower, maybe this side, because to watch the view from this side here. My friend, you see?
Tumefanya kazi. Kazi imeishia hapa leo.
Okay, that's the end of the story. No problem. Ushaona mimi tukusumbana na wewe. Guys, thank you so much for the love and support. I really appreciate, and that's the end mark of the work for today. Maybe pray for me, guys. Hopefully when I'll get $50, I'll come and do some work that I left there. Misumari imeisha inchi tatu. Siko kwa beshe ni huko. Haya, na ile huko juu. Wanangara seke ngaza chuko huko. Ile. Kwa hivyo ungeendelea kufanya kazi. Sasa si ndo nashindwa. Hata ngasa nataka ende kununua msumari. So guys, thank you so much for the love and support. I really appreciate, and we shall meet maybe for the next videos. It depends, maybe in my home or maybe in my normal work, because at this point I choose to be a top handman, at the same time working, gets paid. At least I'm gonna push this house, you know, because it's so big, man, it's so big. But first thing, I want to say thank you so much for those people who watch my videos till the end, like, and also view. You know, it's very important. And also to subscribe, it's very, very important. May God bless you, and never get tired of supporting me till the end and till this journey. I love you from my bottom of my heart. Let's see you on tomorrow's videos, guys. Bye bye. Ciao, ciao.